Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys on how you can use the object-oriented programming approach in Python. In my last video, I showed you guys on how you could do it in Node JavaScript, but in this video, it's going to be different. And this time, it's Python, the most hardest language ever. I mean, maybe it's easy, but nobody knows. So let us see how we can achieve the object-oriented programming approach. As you guys know, there are a lot of ways in, in Python. One of them being object-oriented programming. So I'm going to cover that now. So let's see what we can do. So to get started first, our class always starts with the keyword class in at the first, just like Node JavaScript. So it's like class name here. In this case, we are going to keep it as random, I guess. And to define a constructor, it's pretty much easy. So it's like to underscore init underscore arguments in here. In this case, we are doing it inside a class. So we have to pass the self argument as well if we want to take objects from the class itself. So let's do it. And animal type name. Okay. Oh, you also need to get the def keyword or else it won't work. So there we go. And now to define the attributes, it's easy. You just define the class first. In our case, it's the self keyword, then the name of the attributes. So it's like self point animal type equals to animal type, which will be taken from the argument itself. And okay, self point name equals to name. That's all you guys have to do. Now let us now maybe make a custom method, so it can be like the get animal type self return self point animal type. So that is why the self keyword is important in a class, because we need to achieve, access the specific object. So we need to first define the self keyword and then access the property inside the object. So that is what we are actually doing now. Let us test this class out. Okay, equals to random. Oh my god. Bird penguin. So let's see what we can do. We can also call the function in here, get animal type friend. Okay, so python ddx of py. There you go. It got the animal type and returned the type we have just passed in this argument of the so-called class. So we can also do something like can fly. No. So I think we should return true or false based on what we can, if the bird can fly or not. But in simple terms, writing no would be enough, I guess. So let's test it out now. Def. Actually, let's do one thing. Let us return all the objects in the class itself. So we will do something like def get objects self print we have three objects declared. So yeah, point format self point animal type self point name self point can fly. Okay, so we can also do something like, I'm not sure if this will work, but let's give it a try. Get objects. Okay guys, let's test it out. Okay, maybe we cannot really do this. So let's try this. Oh my god. Random object has no attribute can fly. Oh my god. I have declared the object as fly, so we will use fly in here. That should fix it. Kinda addicted with Node JavaScript, so I keep writing Node in there. I don't know why. There you go. Bird, penguin, no. And it also returned none for some reason. Hmm. Anyway, guys, I will probably talk to you guys about that in the next video. But in this video, we're gonna cover classes. So what we can do with this class is like using classes in Python is really easy, and it makes the job of accessing objects and specific attributes way easier. So that is why you should use a class in Python. As you can see, it's pretty much easy to define a constructor, attributes, and specific methods to get the attributes you have defined, changing the behavior or whatever you want to do. It's pretty much simple to use a class in Python. See you guys next time. I will cover more tutorial related to Python, more JavaScript, and other programming languages. And make sure to like and subscribe. I will post more new videos soon. See you guys next time. That's it. A 6-minute video. Wow.